Every trader wants quick profits. But let me ask you something. How many times have you jumped into a trade too early, only to regret it seconds later? You saw a candle move fast, your heart started racing. And you told yourself, I can't miss this move. Then 5 minutes later, the market reversed. Patience isn't just a skill in trading. It's a weapon. It's the difference between blowing an account and building wealth. In this video, I'll show you why patience is your most powerful trading weapon, and how you can train yourself to master it. Not just in trading, but in life. Stay with me till the end, because I'll share a personal story about the time patience saved my trading career. Hi, welcome back to Trading Psychology Pro. If you're serious about becoming a consistently profitable trader, you must understand this. The market doesn't reward speed. It rewards patience. In today's video, we'll break down why patience separates losing traders from winning ones, how to train yourself to wait for the best setups, and daily exercises you can use to strengthen your discipline. We're going deep today. So grab a notebook, sit back, and let's master the art of waiting. Section 1. Why patience matters. Trading is a waiting game. The best setups don't appear every hour. Sometimes not even every day. Let's compare trading to fishing. You don't catch fish by throwing your net anywhere and hoping for the best. You study the waters. You wait for the right moment. Then, when the timing is perfect, you strike once. But most traders? They throw their nets into empty water again and again, burning energy, losing money, and calling it grinding. That's not grinding. That's gambling. Impatience in trading is expensive. Every rushed entry, every emotional exit, costs you more than money. It costs you clarity. Example story. There's a trader named Matt. Every morning, he opens his charts, and if he doesn't see a setup in 5 minutes, he forces one. He tells himself, I just need one quick scalp. By the end of the week, he's down 5%. Not from one big mistake, but from 1,000 small ones. Death by 1,000 cuts, that's what impatience does. Patience, on the other hand, builds confidence. You wait, you observe, and when the market gives you a gift, you take it with calm conviction. Section 2. Common signs of impatience. So how do you know if impatience is killing your progress? Here are 4 signs you're struggling with it. 1. Jumping in before confirmation. You see one strong candle and think, this must be the move. But remember, one candle doesn't change market structure. 2. Closing trades too early. You set a target, but when the trade is +1R, you panic and exit, just to feel safe. Minutes later, price hits your original target. 3. Strategy hopping. You lose 2 trades and start watching new YouTubers for the best indicator. The problem isn't your system, it's your discipline. 4. Over-monitoring charts. You can't stop watching. You keep clicking. You're not trading the market, you're trading your boredom. Mini exercise. Next time you're about to enter a trade, ask yourself, am I entering because my setup is confirmed, or because I'm bored? Write your answer down before clicking. You'll be shocked how many of your trades come from emotion, not logic. 3. The rewards of patience. Here's the beautiful part, patience pays. 1. Better entries. Waiting for confirmation reduces losses. When you enter with full confidence, you can hold the trade calmly. 2. Bigger profits. Patient traders let their winners run. They don't close early out of fear, they let the market do the work. 3. Less stress. Instead of trading every 10 minutes, you focus on 1 or 2 high-quality setups per day. That's how you achieve mental peace and consistent results. Example story. One time, I went 3 whole days without a single trade. I watched the charts, marked my zones, and waited. On the 4th day, boom, my perfect setup appeared. I entered calmly, followed my plan, and hit 5R. That single trade made more than all my rushed trades combined. That's the power of patience. Section 4: How to train patience. Let's talk about how to build patience step by step. 1. Have a clear trading plan. When your rules are clear, entries, stop loss, take profit, you don't need to guess. Patience becomes easier when your plan makes decisions for you. 2. Limit your trades. Set a rule, maximum 2 trades per day. This forces you to wait for quality. When you know you only get 2 bullets, you aim carefully. 3. Use price alerts. Stop watching charts all day. Use alerts so you can step away and come back only when your price level is hit. 4. Journal every trade. Write down why you entered, or why you skipped a trade. Review it weekly. You'll start seeing patterns of impatience, and that awareness alone can fix 50% of your mistakes. 5. Practice waiting in life. Patience isn't just built on charts, it's built in daily life. Next time your phone pings, don't check it immediately. Wait 5 minutes. Next time you're in traffic, breathe instead of complaining. That habit will transfer directly into your trading discipline. Because how you do anything is how you do everything. Section 5: Mindset Shift. Let's change how you see patience. Patience is not doing nothing. It's active protection, it's you defending your capital until the market shows the right opportunity. Think long term. Would you rather make $10 today by luck or $1,000 next week with skill? Most traders fail because they think in hours. Successful traders think in months and years. Patience is a skill, not a gift. You build it, day by day, decision by decision. Remember this quote. The market is designed to transfer money from the impatient to the patient. Warren Buffett. When you understand that, your entire trading game changes. Interactive exercise. Now let's make this real. Grab your notebook. Write these 3 questions down. 1. What was the last trade you rushed into? 2. How much would you have saved or gained if you had waited? 3. What's one rule you can add today to strengthen your patience? Pause this video if you need. Reflect deeply. Because patience doesn't grow from theory, it grows from reflection. If there's one thing I've learned after years of trading, it's this. Patience builds consistency, and consistency builds freedom. Every impatient trader dreams of getting rich fast. But every patient trader ends up staying rich because they mastered themselves before they mastered the market. So next time you're staring at the screen, waiting for a setup, remember, patience isn't weakness. It's power. Comment below, I choose patience. Let's build a community of disciplined traders together. Thanks for watching Trading Psychology Pro. Stay patient, stay disciplined. And as always, trade smart.